Okay, here I am due east. That's my block right there. I had to walk to the beach because it is just amazing. It's incredible. Look at this. Can't even tell where the water starts. So cool. I don't think there's ever I've seen that on the beach, but this is just very, very cool. Try to zoom in and get some of those birds out there. Looks I think where I'm walking to, I think the water starts right there. But I'm not going to go any further because this sand mound is covered in ice. And I'm clumsy enough without walking on ice. So, I'm going to walk over to the pier. Check out the rivers. I'm getting closer.